Hi everyone, so now we're going to look at distinct, like, and order by. And you can see here an example of the type of query you will be able to write after this video tutorial. So let's look at distinct first. So distinct is used before a column name in the select statement to provide a unique list. I often use this on an individual column when I haven't used a table before to see what it contains. For this example, I want to show distinct countries from our customers table, so I can see a unique list of countries that our customers are from. So let's just run that query in MySQL Workbench. We want to see distinct. Well, first I'll just write the table name. We wanted to see distinct country. And you can see here the list of distinct countries now. So yeah, we have quite a few here. But it just shows which countries our customers are from. So another very useful function is like. And it is used when you want to find any record which matches a specified pattern in a column. Percent is the wildcard used in MySQL and represents 0, 1, or multiple characters. In the example here, you can see in our first one that it will show any city which contains new. So the percent before and after new shows that it can be anywhere within the string. So this query would return cities which have new in the name. And in the second example, it will contain any email address which has classic model in the name. So remember also that this could be used with upper or lower operators to ensure we capture a record with any mix of character cases. So back in MySQL Workbench, I'm just going to remove distinct country here and just replace it with a star to show all our columns. So let's just show any city which contains new. So we'll just add in a where clause. Where city like open quotation marks and then a percent. I'm going to put new with a capital N. But this isn't how I would normally write this. I would prefer to use upper or lower, just especially if it's a large data set. But we'll just do this for now. So yep, you can see each city contains new. And New Haven is displayed twice. We haven't displayed distinct list here. Well, even if we did display a distinct list, it would show New Haven twice because we're showing other columns. But we could just show this as a distinct. And we only want to display city. Then it will only display the distinct list of cities that contains new. So I'll just Control Z that. And bring back all columns. And as I said, I would normally use this with upper, or you could use it with lower and just change our new to uppercase, and then it will return the same result. But if there was anything in here which had, for example, not a capital N, but since we were querying it with a capital N inside the string, then it wouldn't show up. So the last topic for this video is order by. So the output of any query can be ordered by a specified column in either ascending or descending order. Order by is the last function used in the query, as you can see in this example. The output would return the results ordered by the last name of the employee. SQL will automatically display the results in ascending order, but if you do want it in descending order, you need to add DESC after the column name. So let's have a look at this. Okay, so I'll just put semicolon and start a new query. And let's just bring back everything from the employees table. And what we want to do, now I know we can just click the last name field here and it will automatically order it, but if we wanted to write it in the query itself, we can just add in order by last name, and then the output will automatically come ordered in ascending order. But as I mentioned, you can do it in descending order just by adding DESC after, and then it will be alphabetically descending. And we can add in a second column to this order by statement. So if we just add a comma and say we wanted, for example, you can see Patterson here. There's 3 employees with surname Patterson. So say we wanted the first name in descending order also, which would show William Patterson first. Then we just add the comma and then add the second column name. And we'll do this in descending order also. And then that will show William Patterson, Steve, and then Mary. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next section, we'll start looking at our joins. So I'll see you in the next video.